The only thing standing between you and walking the Camino is believing you can. This is our essence, building a community that stands beside you, helping you feel ready for the greatest adventure of your life. When you arrive at the journey within retreat, you find a safe space for you to be yourself, to share your story, and to simply breathe. Some search for days or weeks on the Camino to uncover their path, to uncover their purpose. At our retreats, we'll help you connect with yourself, feel your emotions, find harmony, and release what weighs you down before you begin. You will connect with fellow pilgrims, forming bonds that last throughout the Camino and beyond. Here, strangers become friends, and friends become family. The Camino is more than a path. It does not end in Santiago. It is not just about the destination, but the journey itself, and each step on the Camino expands your mind, fills your heart, and renews your spirit. It's a journey of confidence and clarity, guided by intentions that empower you for the pilgrimage ahead. Our greatest joy is giving back to our community.
Great experience with so much love.
The retreat feels like home to me.
Absolutely fantastic.
Love with everybody that's here.
Magical people, Ricky and Erica, thank you so much for making this happen.
Together, we create this dream. Your spirit is unique. Bring your gifts, your stories, and your kindness, and offer them freely. Camino de Santiago is a lifetime experience. Join our retreats and make it unforgettable.